Hi Moonbeams! Did you enjoy the story about our new forest friends? So did I! But wait, who was that white and furry friend at the end? I think we need to find out. Let's join Skyla and go on an adventure. Are you ready? Astra and Skyla are in the forest. They see the white and furry tails again. They fly after them. They say goodbye to their forest friends. They fly through the trees, over rocks, under branches, and across streams, until they find a valley. It is big and beautiful. Astra sees a river. Skyla sees houses. Astra sees flowers. They both see a castle. And far away, they see the sea. They want to explore, but Skyla sees the tails flying up a mountain. The sisters fly after it again. Up, up, up they go. They get to the top. They see the tails. There are 9. It's a fox. It needs their help. You did great, Moonbeams! The forest can be a scary place, but you are so brave!
Astra!
Skyla!
Did you hear that noise?
No.
From the bush! Someone needs our help!
No! We better be fast! Let's go, Moonbeams! Tails. Over. Under. Across. Valley. Rocks. Stream. Branch. House. Flowers. Castle. Sea. Fly. Mountain. Up. Fox. Let's try it together. Tails. Rocks. Branch. Stream. Valley. House. Castle. Across. Flowers. Under. Over. Sea. Fly. Mountain. Up. Fox.